Welcome back to infyGyan friends. Today in this video, we are going to take up one very interesting and challenging algebraic equation. It is x plus 1 whole square plus x plus 3 whole square plus x plus 5 whole square up to x plus 21 whole square over x plus 2 whole square plus x plus 4 whole square up to x plus 20 whole square equal to 4 over 3. We have to find out real solutions. If I will ask you how many squares are there on the top in the numerator. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. 10 values are here and 1 is 21. So total 11 squares are there. 11 square brackets are there in the numerator. In the denominator, in the bottom side, we are having 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So in denominator, the value of n is 10. It will be useful little later. Now let me expand our top and bottom side. So I will be writing here x square a plus b whole square plus 2ab. So I will write 2x times 1 plus b square. So I will be writing 1 square. First bracket is over. Second bracket x square plus 2ab. So 2x times 3 plus b square. So I will be writing 3 square and so on. And similarly, I will write my last term. It would be x square plus 2x times 21 plus 21 square. Now come to bottom part. I will write x plus 2 whole square. So it is x square plus 2x times 2 plus 2 square. Second bracket x square plus 2ab. So 2x times 4 plus 4 square I will be writing. And so on. Similarly, the last term, it would be x square plus 2x times 20 and b square term. So it would be 20 square. RHS is unchanged 4 over 3. Now let us collect all the x squares first. How many x squares will be there? 11. 11 in the top because 11 brackets are there. 11x square. And in the bottom side, if I need to write also, then there will be 10. So I can write here 10x square. Now come to 2ab term. So 2x. Now 1 is there. Then 3 is there. Then 5 is there. Up to 21. So I will collect 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to 21. Now last bracket where I will collect all the square addition. So 1 square, this value up to 21 square. So I will write all odd numbers addition. 3 square up to 21 square. Denominator. I will write in the bracket. See, 2 is there, 4 is there, up to 20. So I will write 2 plus 4 plus 6 up to 20. A square addition, that would be even numbers. 2 square, 4 square, 20 square. So let me write here 2 square, 4 square, 6 square up to 20 square. And right hand side is 4 over 3. Now let us call by name. Let me consider this is a, let me consider this square addition is B. Odd square addition. Denominator, let me call this is C. All even square additions, it is D. So ultimately we have to find out A, B, C, D. So 11x square times 2xa plus b over 10x square plus 2xb 2xc plus d equal to 4 over 3. Now we have to find out A, B, C, D. Let's find out quickly. I will be writing A is 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to 21. So this is one AP, arithmetic progression. I will use some formula. It is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where n total number of terms, d common difference, a first term. So if I will write for this, a equal to 1, n how many terms are there? 11, common difference is 2. So let's apply formula. N is equal to 11 over 2, 2a. So 2 plus n minus 1. So 10 times d is 2. So this value will come out 11 over 2 in bracket 2 plus 20, 22. So I will cancel these two by writing over there 11. So a value is coming out 121. Now come to C, that is also addition. So their addition was 2 plus 4 plus 6 up to 20. If here I will be writing AP first term, then 2, total number of terms 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And then I will be writing common difference, that would be same 2. It is 2. Now let me use sum formula. N by 2, so it will become 10 by 2. 2a, so 4 plus n minus 1, 9 times d. So it will come out 5 times 4 plus 18, 22. So this value is 110. So C is coming out 110. A is 121 and C is 110. Now come to B and D. Now let me write here B. B was the sum of even natural numbers. So let me write here. No, B was odd natural numbers. So I will be writing 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square up to 21 square. Now I will use straight away formula. So formula is S is equal to n 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1 over 3. Here in this case n is equal to 11. So let's apply. So B value will be equal to n 2n plus 1. Let me write n 11, 2n plus 1. So 23, 2n minus 1, 21 over 3. If I will cancel 3 and 7 by writing over there 7, then this value is coming out 1771. Now come to C. It was A, B, C, D. D. Let me write the sum of first n even natural numbers. 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square up to 20 square. Likewise, this formula we will write for even formula also. So that formula is 2n in bracket 2n plus 1 in bracket n plus 1 over 3. This is the only change, n plus 1 and 2n minus 1 in the formulas, and twice also. Let me put this value. I will be writing here d equal to 2n. How many? N is 10. So 2n I will be writing 20. 2n plus 1, 21. N plus 1, 11 over 3. If I will cancel with 7, then 77. It is 20 times 77, which will be equal to 1540. Yes. So D is 1540. B is 1771. Let's put the value. So our given LHS equal to, it was 11x square plus 2x A plus B over 10x square plus 2x C plus D equal to 4 over 3. Let us put all the values. So it will become 11x square plus 2x times 121 it was, and b value was 1771 divided by 10x square plus 2x times it was 110 plus this value was 1540. RHS is 4/3. Now I will cross multiply and I will collect our final quadratic equation. So once you will cross multiply, it will become 33x square. Let me write in this manner, 2x times it would be 363. If you will multiply with 1771, then you will have this value 1771 times 3, 5313 equal to 4 times 10x square, so 40x square plus 2x times 440 plus 4 times 1540, it is 6160. Now collect all the terms to one side. So equation ultimately will come out 7x square plus 154x plus 847 equal to 0. Now equation is divisible by 7. I will divide by 7. So equation will come out ultimately x square plus 22x. And if you will divide this number, it is 121 equal to 0. And if you will see, this is one perfect square. X plus 11 whole square it is equal to 0. So from here we can conclude our answer. X is equal to minus 11 with multiplicity 2. Multiplicity 2. Let's verify our answer. So I will be writing verification. Okay, let's put x is equal to negative 11. I will put, so it will give us minus 11 plus 1. So I can write in the numerator minus 10 whole square, minus 11 plus 3. So it is minus 8 whole square. Next number minus 6 whole square. And if you will check the last term, if I will put, then it is plus 10 whole square. Before that 8 whole square and so on. In between 0 is also there. In denominator, if you will see, I am putting minus 11. So it is minus 9 whole square. Then minus 11 plus 4, minus 7 whole square and so on. And last term, if you will put minus 11, then it is 9 whole square. So it is series from minus to 0 and then 0 to plus. Same number. So squaring of negative number would be positive. So I can write this one LHS side as 2 times, it is in bracket 10 square plus 8 square plus 6 square plus 4 square plus 2 square. In denominator also, I will be writing 2 times 9 square plus 7 square plus 5 square plus 3 square plus 1 square. I will cancel these two numbers. Now let's put the value. 10 square is 100, 8 square is 64, 6 square is 36, 4 square is 16, 2 square is 4 over 9 square is 81, 49, 25, 9, 1. And if you will add both numerator and denominator, so this value is coming out 220 over 165. And both numbers are divisible by 55. So we can write it is 4 times 55 over 3 times 55. You can cancel these two. Final number would be 4/3, which is ultimately our RHS. So hence this value is true. I hope this video will be meaningful to you. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe friends. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself.